Hi friends, welcome on my channel. So today I'm going to write eight program. The program name will be area of rhombus. So first I will create a new class as a rhombus. Like I will give a name as a rhombus. Okay. So now rhombus, and this is the eight program. That's why I'm giving the eight, and I will select the main method also. So now I will click on finish. It will take a few minutes. Okay, so now you can see the class has been created. So first I will remove the command line. Now first I want to explain like what is the rhombus. Rhombus is nothing but this is the part of the mathematics. Okay, so I'm not going to explain in deeply. Just I'm going to explain like what will the formula of rhombus. Because based on the formula I will write a program. So what will the formula of area of rhombus? So area of rhombus uh, equal to 1 by 2. Okay, and d1 into d2. So this is the formula of area of rhombus. So d1 and d2 is nothing but this is the diagonal of rhombus. Okay, the first diagonal, second diagonal we can say. Okay, we can say first diagonal, second diagonal is like I'm giving this name only, but this is the diagonal only. Okay, so first what I will do, first I want to take a input from the user. So for I will take a scanner class. Okay, new scanner system dot in. Okay, now I will import the scanner class in this class. And if you don't have a knowledge about how you can import, you can watch the previous video. In that video I already explained. Okay, so next what I will do, I will write a code. So in this I will write a enter value of first diagonal. Okay, now I will take a d1 as an integer variable name. Okay, scanner dot next int, whatever user will give input that will store under the d1 value. Okay, first diagonal value. Now I'm going to write a text message for the second diagonal value. So print, okay, enter value of second diagonal, and I will take an input, like I will take a variable name as a d2 second diagonal. Okay, next, and I will take a third variable. I will give a name as a area equal to d1 into d2, okay, divided by 2. This is the formula. Just I'm going to print off this. Okay, whatever sum will come that will store under the third variable. The variable name is area. Okay, so how we can print it? So system dot out dot print ln, and write a text message area of rhombus. Okay, now first I will save this program and then run it. Okay, now we can check it. Whatever the user will give a input, so then some it is a, so whatever sum will come, that is a correct or not. So we can check it. So first diagonal value I'm giving as a 10, and second I'm giving a 20. So once click on enter, so you can see the area of rhombus 100. So this is the correct value. So program is correct. So you can watch this program also, and first you watch and then you can write a program yourself. It will better. You can get logic and you can build your logic yourself also. So on this channel there's like 40 plus program is there, so you can watch previous video those video as well. And in on my channel there is like pattern and other program also available. So I'm making a video right now only program. Okay, after once complete the program session, then I will start make a video course as well, Java course. I will start like from the beginning. So from this is the whatever my videos are I have already uploaded on the channel. So on my channel, though that is only for beginner. So I will make a video for the experienced persons who want to practice daily basis. So that can also they can do the practice on my channel. So I will make a video gradually. So that's all. Thank you for watching. Keep watching and follow my channel. Thank you. Thank you, fans.